Hi, I'm Guilherme Rito, and today I'm going to show you the newest updates for CSS Scan Pro. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is that now when you select an element, it will show you this new editor panel that is docked on the right side of your screen. So the element is now selected, right? There's a border around the element, and you can change the text just like before. But you can also move the mouse across the screen, and it will not inspect the other elements. That you will see no floating windows around here. It will keep the element selected even if you scroll the page. So it feels more like a web builder. You have the side panel to change the element, and you can see the element is selected, not other things going on while you move the cursor around the screen. Okay, so you can also change the dock side to the left side, as you can see, if that's better for you. Or you can, if you don't like this idea, you can undock into floating window, just as it was before, right? This draggable floating window that you can move anywhere you want. But let's keep it docked to right side. Another thing we did is that now when you change the margin or the padding in the visual editor, you will see those guidelines appear when you're editing, and they are gone when you release the mouse and after 3 seconds. So these guidelines help you understand the alignment of the element, so it's easier to understand, like how is it aligned with the other things in the layout, right? Well, this can get even better because now there's a new option you can toggle, which is called CSS box models. So let's turn it on. So you need to go settings and display, and there's this option here, CSS box model. Okay, so we turn it on, and right now when we hover over some elements that has either a margin or a padding, you will see it on the screen. So as you see here, the green color is the padding of the element, and the orange one is the margin. And it works on all the other elements too. Like this element has both margin and padding, and you can change it anytime. Okay, so let's change this element's margin. We select the element, and when we change the margin on the visual editor, we can see in real time the CSS box model being changed, and you can understand, like the orange you're changing the margin, and the green is the padding. So this will help you understand how the layouts of the websites work, and hopefully it will help you design better websites. We've also made improvements on the CSS inspection algorithm, which is now better than ever. So the code you get while copying the elements from websites, it's even more reliable now. And by the way, this is my new website called beachguide.co, or you can also go through beachnearby.com. It's a crowdsourced website to find out the best beaches in the world, and you can filter it like very specifically to your taste, like beautiful for families and friends with more tourists, or not crowded, that has shades, umbrella for rain, chairs for rain, and there's a map, and you can see every beach, and you can also add new beaches there. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for supporting my work. See you on the next update.